Let's learn. The bird that is not a bird. Is the bat a bird? Its wings are made of tough skin. Its body is covered with fur. It has legs but it cannot walk. It flies like a bird yet it is not a bird. It is a mammal. A baby bat gets milk from its mother just like any other mammal. Baby bats cling to their mother for a few days after they are born. They go with her whenever she goes. When they are big enough, the mother bat hangs them in a safe place, then goes out to look for food. When they are old enough, bats catch insects by flying through the air with their mouths open. Bats live together in old bridges, caves or hollows of trees. They hang themselves upside down to sleep. Bats cannot see very well in bright lights nor in pitch darkness. Yet they are not blind. They can see very well in dim light. Although bats cannot see when it is very dark, they can fly about without bumping into things. They make sounds which only bats could hear. The echoes of these sounds keep them from bumping into anything. 1. A bat is a blank. A mammal. B. Bird. C. Both bird and mammal. Two. Its body is covered with blank. A. Feathers. B. Fur. C. Scales. 3. It has legs but blank. A. It cannot fly. B. It cannot jump. C. It cannot walk. Four. Bat's wings are made of blank. A. Feathers. B. Tough skin. C. Stick. 5. Bats hang themselves blank when they sleep. A. Like clothes. B. Well. C. Upside down. 6. Baby bats get milk from their mother because blank. A. They are mammals. B. They don't have teeth. C. They cannot eat insects. Seven. They can see well in blank. A. Bright light. B. Dim light. C. Very dark places. 8. They are blind. A. Yes. B. No. C. Does not tell. 9. Bats can hear sounds which blank. A. We can hear. 2. B. Only bats can hear. C. Other bats cannot hear. 10. Bats are helpful. A. Yes. B. No. C. Does not tell. Thank you everyone. This is Teacher Jamar. We will see you next time.